Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today, and I've already broadcast my London morning session analysis review. If you haven't seen that video, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Alright, today is the 31st of March, is last trading day of the month and Wednesday, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze market at the New York session and how my traders bank beautiful pips. Right, just quickly recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade in real time live and also how I produced intraday analysis, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move on to the three major currency pair. Let's see how I analyzed the New York session. You can see this morning, as I mentioned you guys, we had a beautiful pullback. We had short and pullback. After the pullback short, we had a counter long trade, and our target was this level, which price nicely hit the profit target, and afterwards you can see the price reverse. And let me share with you the intraday analysis and at the New York session analysis. As you can see in the morning, London morning, we had this counter, which is I've already explained to you guys. So at the New York session, and let me share with you, make it slightly okay. So you can see here at the New York session around 2 p.m., which is 1300 GMT time, price develop another pattern as we explained, trader breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and we were expecting this 200 EMA, the first target at the 4-hour, and this was the target. So price nicely hit beautiful target. We had a long and another pullback breakout and beautiful target hit. After that, we had another analysis around 241 1541 GMT time for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed another pullback and nicely hit to the previous high, because you can see here this was the target. Price nicely hit again and developed double top. So we had a beautiful long trade Euro USD on breakout after the breakout and pullback. So you can see here two beautiful trades at the New York session on Euro USD. Right now you can see here the price nicely respected. If you look at the bigger picture, price nicely broken after the breakout retest. Let's see here if the price gonna break the previous low, then we're gonna be keep taking a pullback short, and if the price respect, then probably gonna be pullback long. We'll let you know tomorrow. As you know, tomorrow is the first trading day of the month. We'll see how the market is going to react. Okay, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. If you look at the 4-hour, as you know that I already explained that we had a counter long trade this morning and bank beautiful pips at this level, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback. You can see here price nicely respected, and we have another pullback, bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the pound dollar at the New York session. And if you look at here, we already had it. You can see here, this was the analysis in the morning. This was the analysis in the morning. Bank beautiful pips. This one at the New York session, price developed another consolidation, and price was at 4-hour at this level. So we're expecting a pullback. The price developed another pattern. You can see here, triangle pattern, and that's what we're looking here. Breakout. As soon as the price hit 138,000 area, we announced to bank some profit. Price nicely hit profit target. So we had a long trade in pound dollar at the New York session. All right, so if you look at the 4-hour right now, as you can see, if the price is going to stay above this previous high, which is broken now, then we're going to be taking a pullback long. And if the price break this level, then pullback short here. So far, it look like you can see here, if the price going to develop bearish inside candle pattern, we'll see if the price going to break this one short, otherwise long. We'll let you know tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday, and we look at in 4-hour major support and resistance or major price action, and then we go in intraday and refine our entries and exit and trade and before trade a broadcast analysis. This is the pattern. Okay, dollar CAD. If you look at here, we had a beautiful trade on dollar CAD. Look at the 4-hour. As I mentioned you, and I was keep telling you guys, yesterday I told you guys about this one, as I already explained to you this morning. We had the short trade and I was expecting this breakout. You know, I was personally waiting for this one to bank some pips. So we had a beautiful short trade and bank beautiful pips here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. Okay, and let me share with you guys. So you can see here, this was the analysis last night, banks beautiful as I explained this morning. And this was the analysis we did in the London morning session. Price nicely broke on this pattern. You can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we also announced pullback long, beautiful. And I also updated this analysis at the New York session. You can see here around 2 p.m. 1300 GMT, because that's what I explained to you guys, that every time when the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly just to help traders to make a decision, because most of the traders was expecting a long, and I said, guys, look for this breakout. If the price can break this consolidation, then we're taking a short trade here, and target, as I mentioned you, the support level, which was, you can see here, beautiful. And I said to guys, this is the second fifth channel, and we look at this fifth channel was coordinate with this major support at the 4-hour, and that's what we explained to trader, guys, it's time to, you know, bank some profit and bank beautiful pips at this level. So we had a very interesting and good trade on dollar CAD. All right, so let me share with you today's the best pips most of my traders bank on gold, and let me share with you the gold analysis, and let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, in 4-hour, as I mentioned this morning to my trader about price developer double bottom, and if we see reversal candle, which is, you can see a bit bullish engulfing candle, and I said to my trader the whole day, just keep banking on pullbacks. And I also mentioned about this first target, second target, and the final target at this level. So you can see here, beautiful analysis I did and beautiful trade. Let me share with you the analysis. You can see here, and right, you can see here, this is the analysis I did at the New York session. You can see here, beautiful, and afterwards pullback, and I was keep telling my traders, keep taking a banking a pullback. So you can see a pullback. Let me share with you the recording of the 4-hour analysis, live analysis of gold. Let me share with you guys. You can see here, let me play for you
Dollar
guys.
and gold. What a beautiful trade, guys. You can see here.
You can see I mentioned double bottom is developed, and I also mentioned this is the first target, this target, and this target, and we're going to keep taking a pullback long trade. You can see here, that's what exactly mentioned. And as you can see, we had a beautiful pullback long trade and bank beautiful pips on gold. All right, guys, that's it. You can see most of the pairs we had such amazing trades, all of them. If you look at all of them, we had a beautiful pips. Like you can see, look at the pound yen. You can see this is breakout, beautiful long trade, bank beautiful pips. We had a Kiwi dollar, nice beautiful breakout. You can see here, beautiful banks profit. So we have amazing day. Most of the traders bank over 100 pips today. You can see it. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, we also provide full Forex coaching and training. And as I keep telling you guys, my objective is to train traders with the live market through intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and give them feedback on their trade in real time so they can develop their trading skill in real time. So even if you are an experienced trader As you have seen, this is all pure price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank those pips alongside with my professional trader. Or guys, if you need any help in trading, if you would like to discuss your Forex challenges, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free to book. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.